right in the middle of a heated political showdown over the Sambhal Shahi Jama Masjid legal battle, a 15-member delegation of Samajwadi Party is planning to visit the violence-hit town of UP today. Samajwadi Party said the party intends to gather information about the violence that broke out after a survey in Shahi Jama Masjid complex, as SP MP Ziaur Rahman Barq, who has been booked in connection with the 24th of November violence for allegedly committing provocative acts and is also said to be part of the Samajwadi Party delegation. Meanwhile, police has already been deployed outside the residence of the leader of opposition in Uttar Pradesh.
जो 5 लोगों की मौत हुई है उनके परिवार के लोगों से हम लोग मिलेंगे। इसके अलावा जो बहुत से लोग घायल हैं, अस्पताल में हैं, पुलिस कस्टडी में हैं, उनसे मिलेंगे और वहां पर शांति और अमन कायम करने का प्रयास करेंगे। भारतीय जनता पार्टी यह चाहती है कि हर शहर संभल बन जाए और पूरे देश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव, दंगा और हिंसा हो।
So even when it comes to the reactions that have been coming in, let's play out what the UP Deputy CM has to say. Launching a blistering attack on Akhilesh Yadav and his party, taking to social media platforms saying that Akhilesh is trying to send across a delegation not because he has any sympathy for the community, but he only wants to garner votes and add fuel to fire. But it remains to be seen if the SP delegation will be allowed to enter Sambhal, since the district administration has made it clear, in the interest of maintaining peace, no one would be allowed to enter Sambhal from outside.
कोई भी जो भी यहाँ आना चाहता है उन सभी लोगों से हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। वैसे तो जिलाधिकारी के द्वारा प्रतिबंध लगाया जा चुका है कि अभी कोई यहाँ नहीं आ सकता। अभी इस तरीके की चीजें अगर कोई आता है तो यहाँ उत्तेजना का कारण बन सकता है, यहाँ पे इंस्टिगेशन हो सकता है, कोई उकसावा हो सकता है। इसकी वजह से हमने लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट किया है, मैं अनुरोध भी कर रहा हूँ लगातार कि जिम्मेदार लोग हैं, जिम्मेदार जगहों पर हैं, वो हमारी बात समझेंगे। जब एक बार सारी चीजें सामान्य हो जाती हैं, कोई आवे, किसी से भी मिले, कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। मैं तो बल्कि चाहूंगा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग संभल आवें, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल समय ठीक नहीं है और मैं लोगों से आग्रह करूंगा कि अभी ना आवे तो बेहतर है।
Now, even when it comes to the plan that the visit that has been planned by the delegation of Samajwadi Party, that is coming at a time when the Supreme Court had put a stay on the trial court's action. The top court, without commenting on the merits of the case, asked the Masjid Committee to approach the Allahabad High Court and stated that there is no further action that can be taken in the case till the High Court hears the matter. The CJI Sanjeev Khanna has also put the onus on the state to ensure law and order is maintained. In his oral observations, he said there shouldn't be any untoward incident in Sambhal. Meanwhile, ASI affidavit has now added another twist, as the ASI maintains that the team faced difficulties while inspecting the monument because the officials were prevented from entering it. It also states that the inspection was possible only because of the effort of the district administration, further alleging that the Masjid Committee violated norms by carrying out various modifications inside the masjid. In fact, the BJP leader Shalabh Mani Tripathi has put out old pictures of the Sambhal Masjid site, which he claims that until 2012, before the SP government came to power, prayers were offered at this site, previously known as Harihar Mandir. He has also put out pictures of wedding ceremony, saying that later the mandir was converted into a masjid.
संभल का सरकारी गैजेट निकालेंगे और उस जगह को लेकर जो भी लिखा गया है साहित्य में, किताबों में, आर्टिकल्स में, आप उसको अगर पढ़ेंगे तो बहुत स्पष्ट आपको समझ में आएगा कि 2012 यानी कि समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार बनने से पहले आपको तस्वीरें मिलेंगी कि बहुत सी माताएं बहनें वहां जाती थी, पूजा पाठ करती थी, हिंदू रिचुअल्स होते थे। 2012 में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार आई। शफीकुर रहमान बर्क, जो समाजवादी पार्टी के बड़े नेता हैं, सांसद रहे, उनके दबाव में समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में उस जगह पर पूजा पाठ बंद करा दी गई। पूरी तौर पर हरि मंदिर को कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया जामा मस्जिद में।
Well, let's in the meantime get in a word from both Adib and Pradeep, who are joining us live right now. Adib, what is the next course of action that we are looking at? Have the party leaders now at least reached the Samajwadi Party office, or what is exactly going to be their next step?
Well, Amita, see, police is still trying to convince Mata Prasad Pandey that he should not step out of his residence. But Akhilesh Yadav has now given the instructions to the delegation members that they should reach immediately towards the residence of Mata Prasad Pandey. In fact, one of the MLA his name is Ravidas Mehrotra. He has reached as the residence of Mata Prasad Pandey. He is also saying that there was heavy police deployment outside his residence, but somehow he managed to escape from that point. He first reached out to the party office, and then he was given directions that he should reach towards the Mata Prasad Pandey's residence, and now he is here at the Mata Prasad Pandey's residence. And soon what the leaders, both Ravidas Mehrotra and Mata Prasad Pandey, have been saying that they're going to step out, they're going to head towards party office first. They're going to strategize their next course of action in the party office with the delegation members, with the senior leaders. But as of now, as you can see in the visuals, the police deployment still remains at his place. Senior officials of Uttar Pradesh Police and Lucknow Police, they are trying to convince Mata Prasad Pandey that he should not move towards Sambhal. There's restrictions in the Sambhal district. District magistrate has not given the permission. But Samajwadi Party MLA and their leaders are saying that we are demanding that the DM should be removed from his post. Then why we are going to accept his order? So these are the allegations and the statements coming in from the Samajwadi Party leaders who are now trying to move towards Sambhal.
All right. Even when it comes to, as the issue is now being created over this visit of a 15-member delegation that is now expected, let's in the meantime go across to Pradeep now. Pradeep, any precautionary measures there that have been put in place? Because yesterday we saw how the entire area was converted into a fortress just before the first prayers or Friday prayers that happened. Today, what is the plan that has now been put into action?
See, one thing is quite clear, that there seems to be no end to politics over November 24 violence. Yes, there had been precautionary measures that have been put into place. All the entry points leading towards the Sambhal have been properly plugged. There are heavy deployment of police personnel on all the points. They are trying to ensure that nobody should be entering Sambhal. That already the instructions had been given to the cops there on the ground that not a single person from the delegation should be able to enter inside Sambhal area. Because administration right now feels that they do not want anybody to vitiate atmosphere, provoke and instigate people here. What really happened on November 24 should not be repeated, because at that point of time also they feel that mob was instigated and provoked, that led to stone pelting, and finally there was firing from within the mob that led to injury as well as the death of some people. So at this stage what actually authorities are trying to do is they are trying to prevent the delegation from entering inside Sambhal region. But so far as the delegation is concerned, they've already made up their mind that 15 number of people will be coming over to this place. They'll be meeting people, they will be gathering report from the ground, and then finally that report will be submitted to Samajwadi Party leader Chief Akhilesh Yadav. But so far as administration is concerned, they are saying that they are not really interested in basically about the issues related to people. They are simply trying to add fuel to the fire. So at this stage, they will not allow anyone to do so. Later on, they can come out to this place once the life is limping, once the life will be calm here, and there is a total peace in this region. Anybody can come out to this place. They can interact with the family members. They can go anywhere, wherever they want to. But for time being, for 10 days, the provisionary orders had further been extended, and for another 10 days, they will not allow any of the delegation. Because what we have been told by the sources is that on Monday, even the Congress delegation is planning to come out to Sambhal. So they have made it clear that nobody will be allowed to step inside the boundary of Sambhal region, because they want peace and calm to remain, whatever has been instructed even by the Supreme Court also, that ensure that there is no law and order problem and there is total peace and calm and communal harmony in this region.
All right, but owing to the current situation that we are looking at the pictures there, where a showdown that is now expected,